So hey guys, today I want to show you guys this project, Memes.War Airdrop. So Memes.War Airdrop registration is now open. All Memes.War users must complete the airdrop registration to receive airdrop on January. You must keep mining up to December 31. So guys, this project is very simple to join and very simple to get an airdrop. There are less users, so meaning that you'll get a nice airdrop. So the first thing is you will start collecting wars on board. After that, scroll down and daily check-in. You can check in up to 10 days, and 10 days you'll be given 500 airdrop points. So guys, the most important points to claim here is earn airdrop points. These are the most important points. How do you earn these airdrop points? One, you earn by referring your friend. When you refer a friend, you get 700 airdrop points. The second thing, to get this airdrop point, let me show you what you need to do to get it. Just click on quest. If you click on quest, you'll see that there are many tasks to do. This task, when you do them, let me click on general. You can see I have daily. You get a daily task to do. I have done all this. So guys, as you can see, if you do this task, you'll get golden coins. This one here, this is 4 million coins. So how to get airdrop points? Click on guild raid. You must click on guild raid. If you don't have this guild raid, just search war on cats. This guild raid is mine. Just search war on cats. Then after searching this war on cats, click on guild. Come back there and click on guild. If you click on guild, you'll be able to send your golden coins to this guild and earn more airdrop points. So let me show you guys. Click on war on cards. Make sure to send on war on cards. Click on send war bond. So let me click send. I will write maximum. Those are not important, so you can use all of them. So I will click maximum 4 million points. Send. If I send, I will get airdrop points. You can see guys, I will get airdrop points. Let me refresh. As you can see, my balance on airdrop points has increased. I have 41,000. So guys, that's how you get airdrop points. Make sure to concentrate on airdrop points. This here, send your all your coins. Make sure to every day click on daily task and quest, gather more golden coins, then send all your coins to guild, to the guild. And of course you can also click on guild raid and go guild. To go guild is like to go on war. You choose your raider and your team and go to one. If you win, you get some golden coins. So those golden coins, you turn them into airdrop points. These are the most important. Airdrop points are the most important. As you can see, my airdrop points is 41,000 and I'm ranked at 29,000 out of 1 million users. So you can see many people don't know that these airdrop points are the most important. So guys, that's how you join this project. It's very easy. And for the completion of the airdrop, click on this task here. Just connect with your Twitter and you will be able to register. You can see I've already finished the mission, final airdrop registration. So link your X account or your Twitter account. Just use, if you click here, just use Chrome. Don't use Twitter name account. Just use Chrome browser to connect your Twitter. So this is how to do this project and get amount of airdrop. So see you in another video.